Hey guys, thanks for being here. If you're checking this out, you're looking into my econ, you're looking to make money online and da-da-da. Now, I want to show you the actual free app. If you've watched the playlist, I'll link the playlist at the end of this video. If you've watched that playlist and you've watched through all of this stuff and you want to know what the app looks like that we're always talking about, this customized free app that you can run an actual business from your cell phone from, I'm going to show it to you right here. Check this out. This is the app that you're going to get downloaded that I'll give you a link to that you can download once you get signed up. And this is where you're going to run everything from. Now, on the training site, you can see all the videos that are on there. It's the same videos here. It's the same videos right here on the screen. You can see start here. That's the first video. You go into there and you click overview and then you hit start lesson and it would play the video. Boom. Then it plays the video. Then you can sign in. You click on that get our team updates and you get signed up to the update. It's actually showing you the training site in this video. So then you go to join our Facebook group, income shifting results. So it gives you all of the training that the website has. You can watch on your phone. It's just a mobile version of that, right? Then if you look down here at the bottom, you're going to see we're clicked on the training icon at the bottom of the screen. You're going to go to notifications and you can see all the notifications. This tells us you'll get a push on this app that'll tell you when we're going to be going live. It's all scheduled, so you'll know in advance anyways. But once you like this one, so there was a live yesterday. You click on the little video icon that says join the webinar here, right? So that's how you get to the live. You can also, I'll plug you into the Facebook group that has over 6,000 members that we do lives on there as well. Then if you go back down to the bottom of the screen, you're going to see we'll skip the leads and we'll go to accounts. You go to account and this is where you're going to go to set up your quick replies. If you want to send emails to your leads, if you want to text your leads, you can do that from this app. And I'm going to show you that leads tab here in a second. But you can set up so you don't have to type out messages each time or copy and paste them from somewhere else. You can actually set up what your responses are, your text responses, your email responses. You can edit these and do anything you want. And then whenever you go to your leads section, so whenever you go to that grabthislink.com, you put your name, phone, and email in there, right? It's going to send me a notification through this app and tell me, cha-ching, you got a lead, right? And then I can go in here. I'm going to click on the second one because this is somebody that I've already talked to and they're okay with everything. So I'm going to click on this, right? And then I want to send, say, she just signed up. I just got the notification. I'm going to send her an email. I can hit phone. I can hit the phone and I can, call her. I can do text messages. These are the quick replies in my text messages that I set up. And then I can make notes and I can say, I sent her an email, whatever you want to do. So you can see that you can literally run this business from this phone, because what she's going to do then is she's going to go to the website in that email and she's going to get started on all the training. It's going to walk her through signing up. The same thing that I just walked you guys through in the other videos in this playlist that I'm going to link at the end of this video. So you got to check that out. Your best bet is to get your business started. Digital marketing business. It's helping thousands of people make money online, help thousands of people make their first dollar online. Just made me almost $2,000 in this past week. Just from doing this. You got to check it out. You got to make this happen. You got to do it. Don't give up on yourself. I won't give up on you, and I'll help you get started. Go to grabthislink.com. Check out this playlist. I'll link it right here if you haven't seen it. Check it out. Go through it. You got value from this. I'd greatly appreciate it if you'd consider hitting that subscribe button, hit that like button. Really help me out, and see ya.